a bouquet and flowers. My sincere appreciation for the parents of our students who make this day more solemn with their presence.
The child and the mother is fine, but the child has not responded to any sound. What sin have I done that God has given me this type of child?
It's okay. Every child is a gift of God and unique in their own way. It is a responsibility to take care of him and make him great one day.
Is the baby boy or girl? The baby is very cute and fair.
is with us and praying for us. We thank God for the person of our dear Sister Lisa Chetri, the Provincial Superior of Ferrando Province, Guwahati. We welcome our dear Sister Provincial with a loud round of applause to the stage and to deliver her message.
Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. L. Ranchal, TES SSG, the Additional Director of Social Welfare and Social Education Department, Government of Tripura, Brother Peter, the Principal of Montfort School, Dugli, Brother Thomas, Mrs. Sanchari, the representative of CBM, Kavita Devarma, eminent social activist, Sister Maya, the principal, Sister Cecilia, the director of this institution, my dear sisters, teachers, parents, and dear students. I'm indeed very happy to be part of this program today, where we anticipate the International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The real day is of course on 3rd, but I'm very happy to be part of this program today. And it gives me immense joy and feel blessed to have a center like this where we are able to cater to the needs of children with disabilities, give them their dignity and make them feel that they too are capable of doing and achieving greater things in life. Sister Maya well said in her welcome speech, expressing the feelings of the children. The children are not with disabilities, but they are differently able. And the children would say, give us a chance and we will show you who we are. I think that's what we witnessed through their beautiful skit and various cultural dances. I was so wonderstruck to see them so beautifully dancing to the rhythm of the song and the music. They didn't make any mistake. The way they came, the way they stood, the way they danced, and the way they exit from the stage was so wonderful and amazing. And indeed they are a great gift of God to their parents and to us. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate the commendable service rendered by our sisters and teachers. I thank each one of them for their love, care, concern, patience, and courage in shaping the lives of these children. For me, this is the first program of its kind, and I feel so happy that our sisters and teachers are doing a great job. I know it is a very challenging task, but your never-giving spirit keeps you doing good, doing better, with a single purpose to see the beautiful smile in these children. You will agree with me when I say, while we try to teach children all about life, our children teach us what life is all about. I am sure Being with them, you have grown too. Thank you for all the sacrifices you make for these children. God bless you all. And I want to take this opportunity to thank our chief guest and other friends and well-wishers who have come to participate in this program and to support us, not only through their physical presence and also many other help that you have rendered to this institution.
Today, this occasion, impressed with the achievement of this institute. You have done a very commendable services for the community, for the children, especially who are having disability with the hearing and the speech. Closely with our department, the Department of Social Welfare and Social Education. Our department's main aim is the promotion of welfare, monthly pension of 1,000 rupees, especially to the blind and those have a disability above 60%. So such kind of activities we are doing here. And here the institute has been promoting this kind of education among these special people with special needs. So it is very, very good and for the society. So this International Day of Persons with Disabilities, we know in the opening introduction from our sister that it is a day that the United Nations has declared that this would be the day for the disabled persons. This is special. This is a special day for generating awareness, especially among the communities, to support this movement, because we know that there are many issues which we don't understand, especially relating to the disabled persons. There are misunderstandings among the masses. So we have to conduct this kind of awareness among in the society, so that we can relate with them, we can understand what is their problem, what support we can extend to them, so that they can have more freedom, so that they can enjoy their life, they can get more opportunities. By way of that, social justice can be achieved. So this is basically an awareness program in one sense. So the community, we have invited the guardians, and some notable people are also here amongst us. So I hope that this program will generate more awareness among the people, among the community, so that we can extend our hands and join hands together in supporting these disabled communities, so that they can become an independent individual without depending on others. They can be self-sustaining, so that they can be a productive citizen of our country. So the department is ready to join hands with the NGOs, with the civil society organization in promoting such kind of activities. Our office is open. You can come anytime. You can share us your problems. We can work out those problems together and maybe launch more such awareness campaign in the coming days. We will be ready to extend our helping hands in whatever capacity we can. So today I wish the best for the coming days for this institute. I hope that you will continue to do the good work for those people, so that they can become successful individuals in the future. I am very deeply impressed by the speech, the cultural